These are the little changes that make me happy. Like, look at the difference. Watch this. This is the second-hand door I got from Marketplace, and it fit back here, but it is dirty, so it needs to be cleaned. So it's getting ready to get a really good cleaning. Then I'm gonna put the blind up. So Naya's getting ready to scrub the heck out of this and clean this really good. I got this for like 20 bucks. I think 20 bucks on Marketplace, but it's a solid door. It's just that they were dirty and nasty and didn't clean it. So we about to clean this right now. And y'all gonna see the difference after she cleans it, because it's disgusting. Taking that out for me. I'm gonna take those screws. I don't know why those screws is in the door, but she's knocking that out right now. She's using some degreaser and getting it clean. As you see, she did a great job. She cleaned the heck out of this door. Yep, and now this has a blind. Looks so much better. Yeah, I can't wait to get all this other stuff done, but now we have a blind. It looks better than that freaking plastic that was there. So, and that's what it looks like with it, the lights off. So there's a blind there now. Much better. And instead of me having to move the plastic, I can tilt and peek out like this. So yeah, I love it. And bring some light into the laundry room. I love it, I love it. It's the little things. I just can't wait to see it just continue to progress.